Hi everyone, if you'd like to know how I made this cowl neck top, watch this video to the end. My name is Veronica Adams Easy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly click on the subscribe button. Right here, I already marked out the measurements I'm using a bust of 38 inches and a hip of 40, and I've added my allowance. And right now I'm going ahead to cut. The back measurement I'm using here is 16 inches. I also came down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and from there I took 7 inches downward for the armhole line. So right now I'll be cutting all through the lines that I marked so that I can have my back bodies. Here I have my back bodies cut out, and the length of this top is 23 inches. I'll be using the back bodies to cut out the front bodies. Please take note that the hem of the back bodies should align with that of the front bodies that we're trying to cut out. However, you can extend the upper part of the back bodies however you want to. I use 10 inches. Difference from that midpoint to that edge is 10 inches. You can use 7 inches, 8 inches. You can even go down as much as 11, 12. Note that the higher you go, the deeper it gets. So if you don't want something so deep, you can stop at 7 inches. Right now I'm done cutting, and this is what we have at the end of it all. I'm going ahead to notch the part where the shoulder line of both the front and the back bodies will be joined together, so that I do not exceed that part. So this will guide me when I'm sewing. Now you can go ahead to start sewing. You can use a bias tape to turn the neckline for the back bodies, and for the front bodies you can leave it like that and just serge round that upper part, or turn in using a lining too. The lining cut out should just be 2 inches or 3 inches below the armhole line. It's fine that way. And please note that the best lining to use is the actual fabric itself. That means you cut that same fabric rather than using another fabric entirely. So this is the result after joining the shoulder line and the sides together. So right now we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you found it useful, kindly like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.